So this is day 1, surgery day. My surgery was at 8 o'clock this morning. It's about 8 o'clock at night. And so 12 hours, my block is sort of wearing off. I had a nerve block. This was for a supraspinatus tear, full thickness tear is what it's called. And then they found that I had a slap tear in my bicep tendon. And so after day 1, the things that I've learned is sweatpants are a win. I'm making these post-op videos for myself to look back to give me encouragement of my progress over the year. And hopefully if anybody else goes through a rotator cuff surgery, they may help you. So one of the other tips I found is if you have a hard time opening drink containers, put them between your thighs and it's easier to open them instead of using your mouth. So that's something that's been helpful as you have one hand. The other thing is ice, and don't get behind the pain. So once your nerve block starts to wear off, I've been recommended by numerous people to get ahead of the pain and start maybe taking your pain meds earlier than when the nerve block wears off in a day. All right, so if you have to go through rotator cuff surgery, or there might even be one person on the whole planet that's going through it at the same time I am, so, or maybe more. So hopefully this will help you, but it's really for me to see my post-op journey in the next year. Good luck. Stay happy.